This is the best way to eat ice cream. It's much easier to enjoy it like this, simple and practical. I'm going to start by adding 1 1/4 cups of well-chilled sweetened condensed milk, just taken out of the refrigerator. The most important thing is that the sweetened condensed milk is very cold to achieve the right texture. Now I'm going to whip it until it turns into a pale, white cream, full of air. It has reached the perfect point with a creamy and whitish texture. Look how it turned out. With the condensed milk ready, I'm going to add 1 3/4 cups of cold heavy cream. It's essential that the cream is also very cold, so the ice cream turns out firm and creamy. This ice cream has a very soft texture and a truly delicious flavor. A wonderful dessert that's made in just a few minutes and perfect for any moment. Now I'm going to mix well and whip again for about 4 minutes until everything is fully combined. This is the ideal consistency, a creamy mixture similar to a light mousse. You don't need to whip the cream until it's stiff, like whipped cream. It should remain creamy, just like I'm showing here. Look at how it looks. Now I'm going to add chocolate chips to give a special touch to our ice cream. Here I have 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, but you can switch it up. You can also use sprinkles, chopped fruits, or any ingredient you like best. This ice cream is very versatile and can be made with many different flavors. You can make it however you prefer. If you want to flavor it with concentrated juice, that works too, and the result is excellent with a very special taste. You can add strawberry pieces, for example, which pair very well with this base. It's an ice cream that allows many variations and turns out delicious no matter what. Using just these ingredients, you only need to choose the third component to your liking. The base is ready, and you can customize it however you prefer. Our ice cream is now done. Now I'm going to scoop out a portion. Look at how creamy it is. I'll place it gently in this container. It looks very appealing. I give it a few soft taps so it settles nicely. Then I'll place the rest of the ice cream in another bowl to store it. It makes a generous amount. It's perfect to prepare and serve to kids. They love this type of dessert because it's smooth and delicious. I've already divided it into 2 containers, and as you can see, it made a lot. Now I'll place it in the freezer until it's firm. Or you can leave it overnight. And look, our ice cream is ready with the perfect texture for serving. I'll start cutting it into portions with a knife to insert the sticks. I cut on the other side as well, so the ice cream bars are easier to form. Now you just need to insert the sticks carefully to shape the ice cream. This is real homemade ice cream. Creamy, beautiful, and very tasty. Very easy to make with ingredients we usually have at home. And the flavor is incredible. After inserting the sticks, all you have to do is grab your ice cream and see how creamy it turned out. With a perfect texture, an irresistible dessert, perfect for hot days or any special occasion.